So guys, I'm getting ready. Today we are celebrating independence in Zimbabwe, you know that. But are we seeing it, guys, or we're still hoping to? So I need someone to do my hair because today we're celebrating independence. Uyabhala ngoba lokhu zenini awufuna ubhala namhla homework ngoba independence. So you are saying today you don't want to do a holiday work, your school work, because it's holiday?
Independence.
When did Zimbabwe got independence? I asked you a question. When did Zimbabwe got independence?
Zimbabwe got independence in 1980, 44 years ago.
Independence or independence?
Independence.
So you are happy today to celebrate. Are you seeing the independence though? You don't see it? But we are hoping to see it soon.
Independence.
What? Yo, this guy is lost guy. Usakayibona futhi ngathi kayazi kahle. Juta ayikho. Hayi zabakhona.
Independence is being free. No one can control you, but only if you are 18.
Yeah, if you are less than 18, forget it, bro. Okay?
Control our mama.